In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use text effects in CapCut Desktop. To get started, open the CapCut Desktop app on your computer. Once the program launches, you can either create a new project or open an existing one, depending on where you are in your editing process. If you're starting fresh, choose a new project. If you already have a video you've been working on, simply open that project so you can continue editing. Next, add a video to the timeline. This is important because it gives you a visual reference for where your text effect will appear. Having your footage in place also makes it much easier to preview the timing and positioning of the effect as you work. After your video is on the timeline, go to the top toolbar and click Text. This section contains the text tools you'll need to add animated and stylized text elements to your project. Once you're in the text section, look over to the left panel. This is where CapCut organizes different text options and related features. In the left panel, click Text Effects. After that, give the Text Effects library a moment to load. Depending on your computer and internet connection, this may take a few seconds. Once it appears, you'll be able to browse through the available text effects. Take your time here, because CapCut often includes a wide range of styles, from clean and minimal looks to more dynamic and eye-catching animations. If categories are available, review them as well. Categories can help you narrow down the style you want and make it faster to find something that matches your video. When you find a text effect you'd like to use, select it, then click the plus button on that text effect to add it to your project. Now wait a moment for the text effect to be added to the timeline. Once it appears, check the preview window to see how it looks over your video. This is a good time to make sure the style fits the scene and appears where you want it. If needed, move the text effect on the timeline so it starts at the right moment. Then click the play button to preview the effect in motion. Watching it back is the best way to confirm that the text effect appears correctly and feels natural with the pacing of your video. If the timing feels too short or too long, adjust the duration as needed. A properly timed text effect is easier to read and looks more polished. Once everything looks right in the preview, you can confirm that the text effect has been successfully applied. That's it. You're now ready to use text effects in CapCut Desktop with confidence.